Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you guessed it, we are finishing our hardwood floors in our living room. Well, I shouldn't say finishing, maybe I should say pulling up that old dusty carpet and installing hardwood floors. So guys, we had a hard time trying to match up our old hardwood floors, but we finally found a manufacturer that sells our existing hardwood floors. So we're so grateful that we looked up and found them. However, they were slightly different as far as the tongue and groove, but that wasn't a problem. What is happening here is we are getting ready to install our new hardwood floors. This is our old existing floor. We are not, I repeat, we are not pulling up our entire floor, but this is the transition. This is the ending where they left, that met up with the carpet. And why are we taking it out? Well, first, they cut off the noses on the hardwood so that we have tongue and groove. So that's not gonna make for easy reinstall. But not only that, when they cut it, it's very uneven. So even if we just ran it up against it, they would leave at least maybe like a 1/16 inch gap between the new floor and the old floor. So it just makes sense to take up this first row, just this first row right here that you're looking at. And then we're going to start the new floors all the way into the living room.
One question.
What?
What are you doing?
Fitting this right here.
Why you just don't push it over then kick it back, or gonna be
That's what I'm trying to do. It won't go. Okay, you do it then.
There'll be something under there then. This is stuff y'all don't ever see. The argument. Doo-doo-dum, doo-doo-dum, doo-doo-dum.
You know what? I didn't have to.
What you talking about, man? I ain't doing anything. Just don't do anything illegal. That is a trial, guys. A trial. No, it's a trial, sir. I'm not on trial. She's making a glue garden, guys. Glue garden. Remember that. See, you have to smooth it out.
All right, hand me on.
Like some waves.
Hand me on.
I'm assuming this is that piece.
Mm-hmm.
And the glue in there. Kind of sticky on the bottom. It came from the glue that was already on the ground there. Make sure you insert it now. There you go. Jasmine, how do you feel about this floor as of now?
Sore.
You have about 25% to go.
All right, guys, so that sums it up. We have the blue tape down just to make sure that the boards don't move until they are completely, the glue has set. And as you can see, I think we did overall a pretty good job for the gaps and parts that were not completely jammed up. We did use like Wooders putty that was the same color as the wood to kind of help transition it. And that's my husband on the floor. He's doing the baseboards now. So he's basically, I pre-cut them, and now he's nailing them in. And voila, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Until next time.